Ice in my veins, blood in my eyes, hate in my heart, love in my mind. I seen nights full of...
Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? So I know I said I wanted to go fishing today, but last night was a dramatic change. Yeah, it dropped from like 60 degrees. Actually, I think yesterday it hit 72, but it dropped like crazy. And we now have snow on the ground. And the wind is blowing probably 20-25 miles an hour. It's gusting. I mean, you can hear it howling. I got my heat back on, and so the weather just took a turn. But that's okay. I'm going to go try and get some breakfast. I'm going to grab some breakfast right now. I got it in the oven right now. And maybe we might go try. That's all we got. That's all you can do. You can go try. I mean, throw the GoPro on, see what I can do. But next Wednesday is my scuba diving class. So look for GoPro footage from that to drop on Wednesday night. That should be a blast. So, yeah. But other than that, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Got some breakfast in. We're making some not hash browns. Well, if you go to Walmart, they are tater tots. But if you go to like fast food restaurant, they call their tater tots hash browns. So we got some hash browns going in the oven right now. Oh yeah. So that's gonna be coming up soon. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Kind of a boring day. I gotta go to work at 3 o'clock tonight, and then I work till 9:45. Not excited. And then I work again tomorrow from 2 to 7. So hopefully we can get out early. Got some accounting projects I gotta do. Only fish that I know that's gonna be biting right now is this guy. So we'll feed him real quick and see what he's up to. So we'll be back with an update letting you know what I decide. So hopefully we can go fishing. Let's get some chow in first, and yeah. Alright, peace out guys. Alright guys, so it's breakfast time. We got tater tots, and we got waffles. Funfetti waffles. They are Bailey's, but we won't tell her that I'm eating them. So I think here's how it's gonna go. Eat breakfast, get dressed, gonna go try to go to the river. Might not work, might work, who knows? But we're gonna give it a shot. Alright? So the next video, hopefully you'll see me in the car, and hopefully we'll be at the river. Alright? Alright guys, so it's windy, snowing, and it's 32 degrees. And we're going fishing. Where? Not sure yet, but we're going fishing. So it's gonna be the river. Just don't know where at on the river. Hopefully, I got a smallmouth jig tied on, a couple small lures with me. Let's see, I don't know how long I'll be able to make it out in the cold. No gloves, so we'll give it a shot. GoPro's on. All by myself. I have to be to work at 3 o'clock. So, who knows how long we're gonna get. Alright, we're at the spot. Let's give it a go. We'll see you guys on the GoPro in just a second, alright? Hopefully we can get something caught, maybe. I don't know. We'll see how long we're out there for. Could be a short time today. Alrighty. Alright guys, we're gonna try and go fishing. Who knows? Hopefully the audio isn't horrible. Got my new rod and reel out. So we'll give it a shot. Got to figure out still this whole thing. I haven't got it fully set up yet, so yeah. I have a feeling it's gonna be a cold one. Yeah, my hands are pretty cold, but I guess that's just life, right? So I got a little small jig tied on. It's a smallmouth jig, the orange and black color. I'm just gonna try and see if I can't find anything. I'm using my 7.3 heavy, my Aaron's Edge, tied on with paired with my Sitka casting rod. So this jig's a little light for this, for especially the wind, but I'm giving it a shot, you know? Never hurts. She's pretty light, and it's not the easiest to cast into this wind, so it might be a little too windy today to be doing this. Who knows, we're going to try going up this way a little bit. Get my boots all muddy. Go off this point and see if there's something I can't find. Rocky. Really rocky still. Cold. This could be one of those days. No fish. Oh, there's snow. Yep. Woo! Yeah, that's cold. That's really cold. Feel my hands. They're cold. So, yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen. Snagged on a rock. Why I wore my boots. Cold. I'm kind of reeling fast, just trying to keep up with the current, but I think we're probably going to be done. It's not a good day. It's cold, wind's howling, and we're backlashing now. Whew. Way to go, Ryan. It might help if I could feel my thumb and fingers, but I can't. So, yeah. Alright, it's too cold. We're done. So wind's picking up, so we'll see you back in the car. All right, that didn't go as planned. We're back in the car. So yeah, it's nice and cold. My hands are tingling. I think I'm done for the day. I don't think we're going fishing or gonna catch anything. So I kind of expected that. I mean, if I could kind of withstand the cold, it'd be a different story, but it's a little too cold for me. My hands are pretty froze. My line was kind of getting water and freezing on that too, so didn't really want to take the chance. You guys can understand that, right? Didn't want to take a chance. Sometimes that happens. We just don't want to take a chance, and that's life. But it's all good. I had some fun. I got to go throw my new rod, and I guess, yeah, it feels nice. Line's nice. Reel, I like the reel a lot. I might end up switching that reel onto something else. But other than that, yeah, it's pretty good. It's a good day. Fishing nice. We, it's just a good, all-around good day. Gotta wait here at this stoplight. There's stop sign for traffic to kind of mellow so that I can go. Alright, we're going for it. We're making a run. Oh, we got it! We got it! Alright, and now I'm being a freak. So, we'll see you guys back at the apartment. Hopefully, we can it'll warm up soon and we can actually start fishing the river and catch something. So, we'll see you guys later. Keep on fishing. Have fun. Take somebody fishing with you. Peace out, guys. Enjoy your day. Peace.